Today, today we will discuss about the Java patching, Java components patching, or Java upgrade. So we'll discuss about this topic here today. This is the one which is the very important topic which you required here. Java, SAP Java patching here. Java patching or Java upgrade. Java patching or Java patching. I mean to say Java patching here. So in the Java level, same as like above. So here also we will download the Java patches, and so we will apply it here. But here, so here we can use the uh, two tools here. Either you can use the so telnet tool. Telnet is the one of the add-on deploy or undeployment patching here, components patching. Then second one is the sum tool here, sum tool also we can use it here. So here you don't need to prepare, you need to generate the stock.xml file. That is the optional for sum tool here. So telnet also we can use it for patching the Java systems here. Here Java components there are the multiple components in the Java. If you go to the system information, you see the versions of the Java systems here, right? So these are all are the Java components, Ajax runtime, so BI, base tables, core tables, right? So these all are the engine API. So these all are the Java related services, the Java related components here. So collection of all these components are called your NetWeaver systems here. Here, if you want to update the Java system, means we need to update these components. We have to update these components to the higher patch level. We have to update it here. So here we can use the two ways. As I mentioned here, these components updates we can do it in the two ways here. One is like using the sum tool we can do that one. The second one is like we can use the sum tool, we can use it here. The second one is like here we can use the telnet. Telnet is the one of the inbuilt tool we can use it here. So here how to download that softwares here. These are the patches, but these are the SCA files, not the SAR files here. For Java related, all files are SCA files, SCA files here. Java related, all the software packages are SCA files here, SCA. So they are Java related, all patches are the SCA files here. So how to download these patches and so how to update our Java systems here. First of all, downloading the Java patches are very difficult here. When you are doing without maintenance planner manually, when you are downloading, it's a very important to follow the sequence here. It's a very important to follow the sequence here. So what is the sequence which we have to follow it here, right? So let's see here how to download those patches here in the systems here. So same as like SAP, same we have to go to the service marketplace here, right? Service.sap marketplace here. Once you go to the here, so here we need to log into the support.sap.com here. Here support.sap.com we have to go to the here. So here, so let me open. Right. So once you log into the service.sap marketplace here, service.sap marketplace here, so you can see here. So there is a options to download the patches here. Go to the software downloads. So there we can go to the software support pack and patches here by alphabetical index. Then these are the NetWeaver systems, right? Go to the NetWeaver, right? So it's a NetWeaver 7.5 here. NetWeaver 7.5 here. Go to the NetWeaver 7.5 here. Then these are the application server above. No, these are the application server Java systems. These are. So for Java system, just go to the Java here. Then you will see the related patches for the Java system here, Java components here. So related patches for the Java components here. You can see it here from here. Right. So here you can see, so the runtime, Ajax runtime, so same as like here. You can see Ajax runtime. So same components are available here. Similar components are so available here also here. Similar components are available here. So what is the version we have? 7.50 means NetWeaver 7.50. 22 is the patch level. Patch level 22 here. Patch level 22 here. So here, so suppose like example, Ajax runtime. So Ajax runtime. So these all files are SCA files. SCA files, not the SAR files here. SCA files, not the SAR files here. SCA files here, not the SAR files here. Right? So all files are SAR SCA files here. So here to download this one, so what we have to do here? So we are in the SP22, right? In the current version, we have the SP22 we have, right? SP22, all are the SP22 here. So let's try to, here you can check the Ajax runtime 740 SP22 here we have, SP22 we have here. So then SP22 patch we have. So then SP22, just SP22, there is no zero, patch level is 0 here. Patch level is 0 here. Then you can download the SP22 patch level, the higher patch level, or 24 also you can download it, or the latest version. What is the latest version? 24. The SP24 is the latest version here, right? 24. So you can see the release date when it was released here. So when it was released, you can see the release date also here. You can see the release date here. All the information you can see it from the, so here release date here. So based on that, suppose you want to update within the SP, you want to update the patch, that is the patch update. Suppose Ajax runtime, currently you are in the patch level 00. Suppose you can see here 7.50 SP22, 0 means patch level 0. 0 means patch level 0. So patch level 0 here. After that, after patch level 0, so after patch level 0, 0, right? After the patch level 0, we have the 23, 24, 25. So many things are there, 27, 28. So 28 also available in the market here. 28P also available in the market here. So then if you update, that is the SPS upgrade. SPS upgrade you are doing, right? If you update from 22 to 28, that is the SPS upgrade. Then within the 22, you are just updating the patch. Within the 22, you are just updating the patch to the higher patch level. So that is called the patch update. That is called the patch update here. See here, this is the patch update, patch level 27. Just click on this button, that will be downloaded now. That will be downloaded now. That SAR file, that SCA file will be downloaded here. See here, this is getting downloaded here. So for Java side, Java, if anything here, what we have to do, we need to just go to the here, check the dependency here, check the SCA dependency. So always when you are updating the Java patches here, we always update the SCA dependency also. SCA, the dependencies also we have to update it here. So this patch has dependency on the Fiori Launchpad portal, one of the component, and so portal basis here. So this Ajax runtime has dependency on the Fiori Launchpad portal and portal basis component here. So you need to download these patches also. You need to download these two patches also. You have to download it here. These two patches also, you have to download it here. You have to download these two patches also. This way, we have to download the patches. So one patch has dependency on the some other components here. So we need to check the dependency by going to the information sheet here, related info. There is a dependency. Just check the dependency. Then you will get the, so you will get the dependencies. You will get the dependencies will be calculated here. See here, the dependencies will be calculated here, right? So now these three patches are there. So we can update these three patches, we can update it here. So using the telnet tool, we can update it. Using the telnet tool, we can update it, or using the telnet tool, Java patches, right? So using the telnet tool, we can update it, or some tool also we can use it here, either way. Okay, so we can use it here like that. So suppose if you want to update some other core component for Java side, always we have to update the core components. There is a note for the core components always. So we have to update the core component. At least if you are, suppose total 99 patches or 95 patches are there, instead of updating the 95 patches, so you can also update the core patches. Core patches also we can update it here. Core means either 10, the maximum 10 are there. One is the base tables, that's runtime. Then core tables, there is a core. So there is a core tools. So these all are the comes under the core components. Core components means important components here. So engine API, server core, engine facade. So these all are the core. Core means it's a main important component, EP runtime. So these all are the core components here. Any core component or one component or two components, so we have to go with the similar procedure like, so download the patches, keep into the one folder here, then we can update the tool, we can update the things here. Suppose example, we have to update the Java things with the three patches here. Then suppose we'll do with the sum tool here, So let's see the, where is the sum tool here? We don't have sum tool here. Okay, that's fine. So here, let me check where is the sum tool. ECQ, nothing is there. ECQ, ECD. Yeah, ECD, we have the sum tool is there. Okay, so otherwise we'll download the new tool, what's there here, right? So we can download the new sum tool here. Go to the same service marketplace. We already in the service marketplace. SL tool set. S for sum. SL tool set. There is a SL tool set here. In the SL tool set here, so we will get the all the tools here. Tools means, so all the components here. All the components means software upgrade manager tool here, right? So we can update these tools here in the sum 2.0. So we can use this sum 2.0 here. So this is the Windows, right? Windows. Then download the Windows package here. Download the Windows package here. So then we can do that one here. So there is a so thumb rule for using the sum 1.0 and sum 2.0 here. Sum 1.0 and sum 2.0. That we know, right? We discussed here. Sum, so now 1.1, sum 1.1 and sum 2.0 here. If the SAP NetWeaver version 7.5 or above, we have to use the sum 2.0 here. If the sum version 1.1, if the NetWeaver version 7.5 below, then we need to use the sum 1.1 version. We have to use it. This is the one of the guarantee technical discussion question here. So remember this thing here, this thumb rule here. Okay. So it got downloaded. Okay, sum tool got downloaded here. So we need to place the sum tool into under USR, SAP, SAD. Under the SAD, we need to keep it, and so we need to extract and we need to download it. Normally, we know this procedure, right? When we are in the ABAPs, so ABAP stack, so we have done the similar, right? For SAP Java ABAP systems. Similar way, we need to log into the SID ADM. So what we have done, we have downloaded the Java components. Example, one or two components we have downloaded. Then, so we have downloaded the sum tool as well. So then we are now going to the extract it here. We are going to extract the softwares now here, right? So we are going to extract now here. See, so USR, SAP, then SID, then just extract the sum tool here. SAP car hyphen XVF, SAP car hyphen XVF, then sum to star.sar. So some file will be extracted. For same sum tool for the above and the Java stack also we are using here. Once we extracted, then we can start the sum tool and we can provide the some navigation and everything we can give that one. Okay. Same concept, whatever we have done in the so above stack, same way we are doing here. So this is the Java patching. So Java upgrade also similar. As I mentioned here, upgrade means updating the component version upgrade, which means suppose like in the 7.50, 22 to 23, 24 above, then that is the SPS upgrade. Within the 22, just you are updating from 0 to 30, 0 to 20, we are updating. That is the patch. That is the patch here. So it is the patch update. Now we are doing the patch update. Either patch update or SPS upgrade or release upgrade. We have to same procedure, same tool. We have to use it here. There is no doubt here. But the one thing is you should remember. So what you are doing here, patch update or SPS upgrade or release upgrade. Release upgrade means so your entire release like 7.50 is the release version. So this one you are going to change it to the 7.50 to 7.52, 53, something like that you are upgrading here. So this is the release version, SP22, this is the SP level, this is the patch here. So we discussed how to read this version information here, right? How to read this version information here. So for here, this is the 1.0, just you can ignore it here. This is the 7.50 means NetWeaver 750 here. This is the SP22. This is the SP level, SP level. This is the patch level, SP level, patch level here. So this is the product, the component version 1.0 or 2.0, that component version dot. So NetWeaver version here, right? So dot SP version here, dot and patch version here, right? Dot patch version, dot and so then date when it was released 2021-08-10. So this is the with the time 6 p.m. 11 minutes. This is the timelines. So like that, this is the version here. This way we have to read the information here. So it is getting extracted. Here how much big file this is getting extracted here. So while this is getting extracted, we need to open the command prompt mode in the administrator mode, run as administrator mode. Okay. So here we have the, where is the file here? This is the sum file. We have to go to the CD and this file. Okay. So here you will get the path. You will get the files are got extracted here. Here the files got extracted here. So here we need to, I think we downloaded the wrong version here. So how means I will tell you here. It's not the correct version we downloaded here. So I will explain how, what is the reason here. Here in the ABAP itself, we will get the one file here. dir from start.bat file space config host agent space NJD. So from start.bat file config host agent and NJD here. Same config host agent SID we have to give it, but this is not the correct one. This is not the correct file which we downloaded. Here we need to download the some 1.0, some 1.0 only, not the 2.0. 1.1 recent version. Let's download this one meanwhile. This is run the PowerShell as an administrator. This is the administrator prompt. We are not executed. We executed in a different mode. CD ABAP from start.bat space config host agent and NJD. Just give me a minute. Okay, so yes, this is the wrong version actually. As I expected, this is the wrong version. Why? Because in the sum 2.0 for Java systems that is not the applicable here. For Java systems, sum 1.0 we have to still execute it for Java systems here. So this is the the wrong version which we have to do it here. Java systems which we have to do it, it's the wrong version here. So now what we have to do now, we need to delete the current sum version. The current sum we have to delete it. Again, whatever we have downloaded, right? We have to redo that one. So that is the one. This is not the correct version here. This is not the correct sum version here. So that's why when you are downloading, you have to carefully download the sum version here. So sum 1.1 here. Yes, sir. Repeat. JD. So this is the correct version which we have to download and we have to update sum star dot SAR. So we need to choose the correct version. Correct version we have to choose it. Otherwise, see what happened now. So this is the one learning activity. So always we have to choose the correct sum tool and we need to download it and we have to extract it again. That is the one we have to do it here. Okay. Here how many files are getting extracted. Okay, so the complete. Right click, run as administrator. Just go to the USR, CP, and do the sum. Okay, so up to here we have to go. So sum, CD, sum command prompt mode, administrator command prompt mode. So we need to open it here. So remember, administrator command prompt mode, we have to open it here. Then to start the sum tool, we need to use the sum start. Okay, sum start. So the config host agent. Then so those things we have to give it to the here. Same as like above, how we started, how we registered the sum tool into the host agent. So we have used. So at least remember the how what we are doing here, right? At least to just remember the using the sum tool, we are updating the patches here. Or telnet tool also we are doing the patches here. Okay, using the sum tool and telnet. So we are updating the patches and everything here, right? I'm extracting the sum tool. What is the version means? Just you can say sum 1.0 or 1.1 version. So how you started the sum tool means, so sum start space config host agent space SID. Then it will ask you to open the URL in the browser. Then we have to open the URL in the browser. So then we can proceed with the other steps here. Here, how many files are there? So it's created the sum SDT, HD doc under that. So it is extracting the all the files here. Finally, it's completed here. Oh my God. Okay. So here, what we have to do use it here, startup.bat. Okay, startup.bat space config host agent space NJD here. The only difference is for ABAP systems and Java systems, right? So for ABAP systems, for ABAP, we need to use the sum start.bat file space config host agent space SID here. For Java systems, you use the, so there is a startup here, startup.bat file here. So startup.bat space config host agent space then SID, same, but only above here in the sum above folder, we have to, there in the sum start file, we have to execute it here, just inside of the sum. So we have the, this startup.bat file is there here, right? Just click on the execute button, you can see. So this is getting started here. So this is getting started here. See here, startup.bat config host agent space so NJD SID. So it is starting here. So here it will ask us to open the URL in the browser. Same way, some Java URL will be opened here. That one, so we have to open it here.
For Java, no need of registration, no, sir.
Which registration?
We need to whenever we are doing.
It's not
Whenever
required.
we want to.
Yeah. The stack configuration file is not required for Java systems. It's not mandatory. It's a optional.
Okay.
So that's why we downloaded the 3 components and just we are updating these components using, right? We downloaded 3 components. So those 3 components we are updating now.
Okay.
It's not required for Java systems. It's not required. For above systems, it's a mandatory to so update that one. For Java, it's not much of that mandatory. Yeah, it's still doing something here. Still installing the some C++ runtime libraries. It is installing. C++ runtime libraries. It is installing. Then after that, it should not take this much of time, but it's taking. Not sure why it is taking this much of time. Immediately it should start, but what happened here? Okay, so this terminated. Again, I'm starting. So let's see. Startup.bat space config host agent space JD. So it's doing, yes, now it started. You can see. So here we need to open the Java URL. Okay, why? Because this is the Java system, right? So this is the Java URL. We have to open it here. Java URL here. For above URL for Java URL, we have to open it here, right? So same thing. So config host agent. So same we click it here. Then just to open the sum tool in the unsafe mode. So here we have to give the NJD ADM